Today we're going to talk about comfort zone. We hear this term a lot, right? We should not be in a comfort zone. We should push ourselves. Growth happens outside comfort zone. We should challenge ourselves. But what exactly is this comfort zone? What are some of the terms which come to your mind when you think about comfort zone? It's terms like safety, security, familiarity. It's a comfortable space. It's a safe space where you don't have to exert too much of an effort, where things are fairly manageable. But how do you really know you are in your comfort zone? And what should you do about it? So I've come up with a very simple way to explain this concept, and I hope it helps you. So here it is. Wherever you are today, that's your comfort zone. Now this is based on the premise that you have so much more potential than you currently explore. There is so much more you can do in life. And it does not matter which sphere of your life you're talking about, whether it's your career, health, wealth, relationship, does not really matter. So the first step is to go back and ask yourself this question: can I do better? Can I have a better job? Can I have better relationships? Can I make more money? Can I have better health? And the answer to these questions invariably is yes, you can. The next question obviously is, do you want to? Now some of you may say, I'm very happy, I'm very satisfied where I am, and that's perfectly fine. So it's a matter of choice. But at least you understand that where you are and where you can be, and there is a potential gap. So the next question you should ask yourself is, if I can do better and I want to do better, what should I do about it? What is really holding me back? What are some of the next steps I should be taking? Right? What should I start doing? What should I stop doing? What should I do differently? Now some of you may say, I'm really working hard, I'm really pushing myself, so I don't think I'm in my comfort zone. And this is not to take anything away from you, right? But maybe, just maybe, you've got comfortable doing the same thing again and again, but expecting different result. It does not really work. So maybe you have to go back and think, what should I start doing differently? So I hope this is useful. Let me quickly recap what we discussed today. The first question you should ask yourself is, can I do better? And does not really matter which sphere of life you're talking about. The second question you should ask yourself is, do I want to do better, right? Maybe you are happy, maybe you are satisfied, and that's perfectly fine. It's your choice. The third question you should ask yourself is, if I can do better, if I want to do better, what should I do about it? What should I start doing? What should I stop doing? What should I start doing differently? What are some of the immediate steps I can take? So I hope this is helpful. I hope you will go back and reflect on it, and I hope you will start taking some action.